Assalamualaikum. Class, I hope you're fine. Today we will learn 10.9. Here are the questions. Now, as you can see, in this exercise, we are just learn how to find the square of binomial. Here, before I start, I will show you the small video clip. With the help of this, you can easily find and you can understand everything. How we will solve this. Now, let's check. Here is the example. You will see.
Plus 10 squared. And your temptation when you see something like this might be to make it 7x squared plus 10 squared, and that would be incorrect. Remember, when you're squaring something, you're multiplying something by itself. So this wouldn't be 7x squared plus 10 squared. It'll be, this is equal to 7x plus 10 times 7x plus 10 times 7x plus 10. This is not equal to, sometimes if you said, oh, it's a 7x times 10 squared, then you could say this is equal to 7x squared times 10 squared. You would be able to do it in this situation right here, but that's not what's going on here. This is 7x plus 10 squared, which is just 7x plus 10 times 7x plus 10. So let me delete that up there. That's probably the single biggest point of confusion when people first learn to take a square of an expression like this. They'll always remember that it's 7x plus 10 times 7x plus 10, and now we can multiply it out. So one, we could distribute this yellow 7x plus 10 onto each of the terms into the green one. So it would be 7x plus 10 times 7.
Now you can see that here the square, that is the reason that he can write the same thing two times. Square mean, I told you that if anything is square, it means you can write the same thing two times. If here is cube, so you can write the same thing in three times. So here is square, he is writing two times.
7x times this 7x right here, plus times the distributive product is 49x squared.
Now you can see this 7x is multiplied with this and this. Now here is 7x. So this one he is putting here. So this will multiply with this all, and this 10 is multiplied with this all.
7x times, which is 100. Which see what you might.
So here is the answer, as you can see.
Do all of it becomes 4x plus 100. So
now here is your answer. So we just add these because this will have, these are the variables, okay, whose value is whose power is 1. Here the power is 2, so there is no other variable same like this, so we cannot add. As it is, we write these two we are adding, and this one we are just writing as it is same. So here is your answer. Now here, now you can see question number 1. First time solving. So here question number 1, how we will solve question number 1. This is a question. Square mean the same thing we are writing two times. Actually this formula you can see in your future. So it's a trigonometric question. So you will memorize this formula. Now here the same thing I'm writing here. Now I multiply these two things with each other, like x multiplied by x equal to x squared, x multiplied by y is equal to xy, y multiplied by x is equal to yx, y multiplied by y equal to y squared. So here is minus minus plus minus plus minus. So at the end here is minus xy minus xy. So it's minus 2xy, because minus minus plus y, I will get this answer. As it is same, it's a j part. Same thing I am doing. I write this two times. After that I just multiply this thing. I multiply with this. Look at here. Then this again. The same thing I am doing here. When I multiply, I get 8xy. Here is also 8xy. When I add, taking LCM, so I will get 2 by 8xy. Here is 16. As it is, this will come here as it is same, and this will also come here as it is same. So 2 how many times equal to 8? The same thing I am putting here. So this is my answer. Now question number 2. Here question number 2, he also said the simplify. Means here he's just solving simply. And now means there are two things, means two question or two parts they are combining, and then he said solve this. When you solve this, after this you simplify. Here I'm simplify this like that, and here I am also simplify this like that. And then I just add or subtract. Here is subtract, I am subtracting these numbers. Let's suppose here x minus 2 whole square equal to x square minus 4x plus 4. So when I open this, so here the same thing, x square minus 8x plus 16. So when I open this minus, multiply this, plus minus plus minus 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 plus minus plus minus. So x square minus x square cancel, minus 4x plus 8x plus 4x plus 4x minus 16 equal to minus 12x. So I know that in 4 table there is 4, and 4 how many times equal to 4? One time. I write here 1, nothing mean 1. And how many times equal to 12? 3 times. So I'm writing like that. Now last question, question number 3. As it is same as you are doing in question number 2, but in the end you are putting x is equal to 4. Now we will see this. I'm solving f part. I hope it's a difficult. That's why I'm just solve this question. So here I'm solving as it is same this thing where I just multiply simply. I will get this answer. And then I multiply minus 4 inside. So I will get this answer. When I get this answer, I'm just putting x is equal to 4. Now 4 square is 16. 16 multiplied by 16, 256. 16 multiplied by 4, 64 plus 1. So my answer is 3 to 1. You can see all this on your on the end of your book. I hope you understand. If you didn't understand, so you can write on your comment box. I will tell you if you didn't understand anything. Thank you so much.